Hey, what's happening today? I'm going to go over the new lead lightning updates because when I finished, you're on my YouTube channel right now, when I finished this video here, how to get started fast with lead lightning, it was almost immediately I realized that they had made some updates from the update. So I wanted to come back here and share with you the update. If you don't know, lead lightning is a very powerful little $7 program. It's a lead in into Power Lead System, and I have a whole playlist on my YouTube channel. You can check out Power Lead System. I've been talking about the updates for that too. But it's a very powerful little system that is designed to create buyer leads for you. So buyers meaning they bought something. So even if you have someone that paid only $1 for something, it's way better to have that than to have a bunch of people signing up for free. It's just the buyer psychology. It's just different. Okay. So if someone pulls out their credit card and pays for something, most likely the chances of them buying something else from you are very high versus where it's free. It's a whole different mentality. Okay. So just so you understand that. So if you get buyer leads, that's very powerful. Now, lead lightning makes it very simple for you to not only promote lead lightning, but to also promote any other offer you want because you're collecting your own the leads from the system. The system is also able to promote your program as well. Uh, and you can also follow up and send messages to your own leads as well. So there are advantages, obviously, to building a buyer's list and building a list in general. Okay. But this makes it easy to create buyers, and buyers are much more likely to come and purchase something else down the road. So anyway, I just finished this video here, how to get started fast. So if you go to the link in my description and you click on it, you decide you want to get started for just $7. Come back and watch this video because I show you exactly what to do to get started fast. I also show you how to make consistent lead lightning sales. And what I teach in this training, in this video, is what I did back in 2017, 2018 when I personally sponsored like 1,000 people. And this system has paid me six figures, and I haven't done anything with it since 2018. So I'm kind of just starting over now, but I just want you to understand like what I'm teaching you. It flat out works when you do it, and it's available to you. Okay. So one more thing I want to say before I get to the trend, the updates is there's a myth out there that it's very common for people to say and think that completely prevents them from ever getting anywhere. And that myth is it takes money to make money, which is not the truth. Because here you have a $7 system that could pay you $6 over and over again. Like that's a starting point. But let me just take it a little step further here, okay? I have another system I use. It also has AI. It also has human closers. So if we come over here to the Lead Lightning back office, okay, and I click here, so you're referring affiliates recommended income system, it's going to take you over to another system where you can join for free and you can earn for free all the way up to just over $8,000 commission for free. So you start with $7, you can join this for free. You can earn commissions for free, all while you're building a buyer's list. I also want to say this, okay? Anything I do when it comes to any kind of like traffic, I'm running it through Lead Lightning. So here's the newest update. They changed out the capture page. This is the new capture page. And when someone enters their email here, see, it kind of talks about what it is, right? Let AI build your business while you sleep. Turn a one-time $7 into daily leads and instant $6 commissions. AI follows up, closes for you, done for you traffic, delivers fresh leads, builds your list, grows your primary business, zero monthly fees, beginner friendly. So all you need is a system. It's set up for you out the box. There's nothing to set up. And you just start sharing this with people. If you don't have money to do paid advertising, then you make videos and you reach out to people. You come back over here and you do what I teach you right here, and you're going to make sales. Like I just had a sale come in this morning. from my video. So this stuff works. And I'm just getting started. Like there's going to be way more coming in. There's going to be upsells coming in. Larger commissions coming in from the system. People are going into my other income stream, my other marketing system that I have hooked up to this. So this is a very powerful formula, proven formula. It actually comes from like back in 2017. There was a guy, his name was Franco. He was doing a weekly training for Power Lead System, which is the back end of this. This is the starter. This is the beginning to bring you in. A mentor of mine used to say, "Hey, get them in church, we'll get them saved," right? So this is getting you in church. We're getting you in church. So you're going to experience what it's all about, and you're going to see like, oh, I could start making some commissions, see how the system works, and then you might want to be able to earn more money, and you might look for ways to do that. And we definitely have ways to do that with Power Lead System. But anyway, getting back to Power Lead System, back in 2017, Franco would do these. They were called Hangouts back then, and he would do these trainings where he would show you exactly what to do to grow your business, like every Wednesday. And I would attend those every Wednesday, or I would go and I would watch the recordings. Now, the reason I'm sharing this with you is one, I'm sharing pretty much what it was taught back then right here. Okay, so you can duplicate that. But I'm also sharing it because, like, I got to a point where I was like, you know what, I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to do what he says. And when I did what he says, that's when everything changed for me. Like, I had sales coming in consistently, I had large sales coming in. And that's what's possible when you follow a proven plan with a powerful system that can pay you well. Okay, so this is the new capture page. What happens when they enter their email is it's going to go to another page where you're going to get a micro commitment. So it's going to say, get your $7 funnel, or it's going to say something like that. I can't remember off the top of my head exactly what it says. There's going to be a button to click. So that's just one extra step. So when people take micro commitments, like little commitments, it moves them closer and closer to actually buying. And that's why that's in there. So they added that. And then the other thing that changed is the sales page. Okay, so here's the sales page. And Neil, the owner of Power Lead System, Lead Lightning, right here, he split tested the different pages and he found out that the one with Todd Gross, this guy right here, does better than the one they had before. So he went and plugged that in to the system. So you don't have to do anything, it's already in there and it's ready to go. Okay, so that's all you got to do. So you have your system, and I went over it right here, how to get started fast. Yeah, I'll add that to the end of this video so you can check that out. How to get started fast, walk you through. I mean, they have step-by-step training already in here, but if you want extra training, definitely go there to my video. And you want to definitely do a one-on-one with Neil Guest. So let me just kind of walk you through how this system works and how it benefits you. I don't care what you're promoting, network marketing, affiliate marketing, it doesn't matter. You want to be building a list. You want to be generating buyer leads so you can market to your list. And this just makes it so, hey, if you're going to be growing a list, why not generate buyer leads? Why not get paid? And then if you decide you want to upgrade it to Power Lead System, you can earn all the way up to $1,500 commissions. You can earn residual income, $20 residual income, $35 residual income. That goes unlimited levels deep and unlimited levels wide for that $35. And the $20, you can earn a 50% match on your $20 members. So whatever they make at 20 bucks, let's say they go out and they make like $1,000, you just made 500 bucks, and that's residual income that keeps coming in month after month after month. And I speak from experience how powerful that becomes. Okay. Um, so this is how it works. You have your system. It's already set up. It's just a link. You start sharing it, how I show you, or however you want to do it. You don't have to do it my way. My way does work. You just have to do the work. um, you put in your email. their email. They're going to see that middle page, create that micro commitment, and then they're going to come to a sales page. Looks like this. They're going to be able to watch the video, and they're going to be able to get started. They can come read the text, learn more about it. But it's a very simple system. It's a system designed to help you grow, like build buyer leads. You're going to make some money. You're going to make it's like 85%. So $6 per $7 sale. Not too bad. And you do have the option of coming in here and upgrading so you can generate residual commissions. And residual is where it's at if you want to create freedom, because residual income is income that comes in month after month after month after month. In my case, year after year after year after year, thanks to this powerful system. Okay, so that's all I want to go over with you. Those are the updates: new capture page, new sales page. Uh, the Todd Gross video is in here now, and this thing's ready to go. It's out the box, ready to go. $7, doesn't cost hardly anything. I'll tell you a quick story, okay? Over the weekend, because my wife's birthday was on Sunday, and she wanted to go to this coffee house, like this. I'm going to call it a bougie coffee house. Someplace I would never go. But she wanted to go, so we went there. And there it was pretty full. Like there were people like all throughout. They had a lot of dogs in there. And they're all drinking coffee. And these coffees are like $7, $8 a pop or more. And it just got me thinking. I'm like, wow, people just without any thought go into a coffee house, drop $7, $8 on a coffee, and they won't drop $7 one time on a system that's designed to help them create more income. Like it's so irrational, it makes zero sense to me. But it happens all the time. And people claim they don't have money, yet they go out and buy fast food, go out to dinner. I mean, I can name so many different things you can do that it's going to cost more than $7. Okay, let me throw one more out. Okay, we went to the movies. It was a matinee. It wasn't even that expensive, but it was $7.25, which is more than $7 for one ticket. So I paid for two tickets. So again, you get a system, a full system for $7 you can use to promote anything you want to create buyer leads, which buyer leads buy again. So most likely you're going to have other sales coming in. You're building a list, which is something you want to do, and it just makes it very simple to do. Okay, with that, thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Go to the link in my description, get your system, $7, one time, and let's rock. Let's do this. Like I said, go to my YouTube channel. If you need help, I laid it out for you. It's right here, how to get consistent sales and lead lightning. You don't have to go and go, I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. Do what I tell you to do. You're going to make sales. And I'm very confident about that, even if you are not. I know because I've done it. I've experienced it. I'm experiencing it now. So it flat out works. Okay. So thanks for watching. I appreciate you. See you on the next one.